Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic circular motion. In this chapter, motion in a plane, we have to study about two things mainly. One is projectile motion, second one is circular motion. So these two are examples of 2D motion. Already we have completed projectile motion. Next, we are going to discuss about the topic circular motion. Okay. So what is a circular motion? Circular motion is a movement of an object along circumference of a circle or rotation along a circular path. For suppose this is circular path or circumference of circle. For suppose this is a body or object starts at this point A. So the motion of the body along circumference of circle, that is called circular motion. Okay, this is the center of the circle. This is a radius vector. Okay, this circular motion can be either uniform or non-uniform. So what are the examples of circular motion? We can see around us daily. What are the first example? Man-made satellite that revolves around the earth. So satellites, artificial satellites are revolves around the earth. That is one of the example of circular motion or rotating motion. So second one is a rotating ceiling fan. So in our homes, when we switch on the fan, it revolves around a axis, around that axis. So that is one of the example of circular motion. Third one is a moving car's wheel. So car's wheel performs circular motion. Okay. Last example is the blades in a windmill. So windmill. So this is also example of circular motion. The blades perform circular motion. So by using this windmill we can produce electricity. Okay, these are the examples. We have so many examples, but we have taken some examples here. Okay, next one is uniform circular motion. What is uniform circular motion? When an object follows a circular path with a constant speed. When an object follows a circular path with constant speed, here speed is not changing, it has constant speed, then the motion of the object is called uniform circular motion. Or suppose a body starts at this point A, it is moving along circumference with constant speed. The speed of the body is not changing. At any point the speed of the body is same. Then the motion of the body is called uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. So when we talk about circular motion, we need to discuss some of the definitions which are belongs to circular motion. So what are those definitions? First of all, we shall discuss about radius vector. So what is radius vector? When the body performs circular motion, the line joining, this is the line joining the position of the particle and the center of the circle. The line, this is the line joining 2 points here. This is the position vector, this is the position of the body, this is the center of the circle. When we join these 2 points, this is radius vector. Okay, for suppose this is the center O, this is the position of particle A, OA is equal to R. So R bar means this is radius vector. Okay, what is the definition here? When a particle is moving on a circumference of circle, the line joining the position of the particle at any instant of time and the center of the circle is called radius vector. So when the body performs or even an object performs circular motion, the line joining the position of the object and the center of the circle. So this line indicates radius vector. Radius vector OA equal to R. Okay, remaining topics we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.